Welcome to the Green Chef. No, not that Green Chef. The show where competitors whip up environmentally friendly recipes to reduce, reuse, and recycle waste.
She's 84 years old, pregnant, and our first competitor. This is William Max Nonmaker, related to Hulk Hogan, our second competitor. He's 12.
Today's ingredients. Begin!
Pretty interesting show we have tonight.
This is so exciting.
Test plant really accents what we're doing here.
Whoever makes the more unique thing wins.
We're actually trying.
Putting it on his foot.
What could this be?
She's breaking down.
I see you're getting a little intense here. What are your emotions as the clock is ticking? No, I could really use a cap on the juice. Cap on the juice. There's no cap on the juice. There's tea. You know what? I just want to save the world, you know? Reduce, create, recycle. Well, seems like your partner's getting a little gay. No pressure. What project, Ricky? Oh man, trash talking going on.
Oh, and it looks like one of the contestants is having some illnesses.
The buzzer going? Nope. Nope.
20 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Good, good. Ten. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First competitor. What did you make?
A picture frame.
Can you explain your model?
Well, you see, I use these recycled boxes here to create a nice picture frame that you could give to your kids or grandchildren, or, you know, I have like 10 grandchildren, so, you know, I can give this to them. It's like a picture of my grandchild at her dance recital, you see? And in here, if they get really excited about the picture, they can reach in here and grab this and just... Yeah, really exciting. It's
Innovative. Simple. Competitor 2.
Well, I use those recycled boxes to make these sweet shoes. That'll definitely look cool on the playground. Not to mention, they also have this secret butter holder, because we live in a society that loves butter. Come on, who doesn't love butter? So, I can, yeah, I have butter with me wherever I go, so I can put butter on whatever I want. And let's see, it also has these cool tongues that I can tuck my pants behind, just like the style these days. It gives it that sporty yet trendy look that it's going to make all the girls stop at my locker after school. And I use these rubber bands to give traction for when I'm playing hoops out on the court. And also, cool trick to show people is that you can take it off, and there's a rubber band here, so you can play music.
Could you model the shoes for us, please?
I would love to. They're slip-on too, for those of you who can't tie shoes.
Wow!
The winner, by disqualification,
この前まで持ってたの私
Oh my god! You have 4 boxes.
肩を抱えて座る時の私